Hi boys and girls, for our lesson we're going to work on arithmetic lesson 140, and to begin we're going to review our concept cards. So let's start. Trapezoid, rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram, polygon, congruent triangles, similar triangles, simple closed curve, angle, ray, line, line segment, point, hexagon, pentagon. Good job. So what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about the perimeter of a square. And if we look, a perimeter of a square is basically just how we did with calculating the perimeter, that we added all the sides. That's basically it for a square. So as you know, a square has all the sides. They are going to be measured the same. All sides are the same. So what we're gonna do is this. This is the formula. So it would be perimeter. So P equals 4, because a square has 4 sides, times the sides. So if I said that the square, that the sides are 2 feet, if I would do 4 times 2, and that would give me what? 8. So that would give me 8. So perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. So you're gonna add the 4 sides of a square, and that would be your perimeter. That's how you calculate the perimeter of a square. Okay, so let's look at this. It says, since a square has 4 congruent equal sides, the formula for the perimeter of a square is P equals 4 times S. And they're using S here for the side. Okay, so basically you add all 4 sides together. Let's look here at our example. So it says here that each side in this square is 8. So 8, 8, 8, and 8. So we want to add all 4 sides together. So it would be P equals A plus A plus A plus A, or we could say P equals 4 times 8. And that would give me, if you add it, it would give me 32. If you multiply 4 times 8, it would be 32 as well. So you could do it this way, or you could do it this way, whichever one is easier for you. You're gonna get the same answer. Okay, let's solve this story problem. It says, Caleb built a square doghouse for Spot. Each side is 4 feet. What is the perimeter of the doghouse? So remember, we said that because the square has equal sides, we need to add those sides together. So if each side is 4 feet, if we multiply 4 times 4, that's going to give me what? 16. That's correct. Or if I do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is going to give me 16. So what is the perimeter of the dog house? That would be 16 feet. Okay? On letter B. Make sure that you guys could see that. Okay, so it says, oops, sorry. Miss Wright had the children measure their rectangular classroom. They found the length to be 14.3 yards and the width to be 10.9 yards. Find the perimeter of the classroom. So if we This is gonna be a little bit different because it's not a square. It's okay. So on letter B, it says Miss Wright had the children measure the rectangle classroom. They found the length to be 14.3 yards and the width to be 10.9. Find the perimeter of the classroom. So the first thing that we have to notice is that it is not a square, what we're trying to find the perimeter of. It is a rectangle. So a rectangle is not gonna have the 4 equal sides as a square. So we need to remember and go back to our formula, if you would say, for the rectangle. So that was the perimeter, and it was length plus width. So again, we are still adding all the sides, but we have to keep in mind that we're gonna have 2 numbers for the length and 2 numbers for the width, okay? So if we were to do this, it would be perimeter equals the length, which is 14.3 plus 14.3 plus the width, 10.9 plus 10.9. A little messy, sorry about that. Okay, so when we add 14.3 plus 14.3 plus 10.9 plus 10.9, if we add that, that is going to give us 50.4 yards. So that would be the perimeter of the classroom. Okay? Okay, let's go ahead to number 3. Number 3 says, use addition to find the perimeter of each square. So it tells us that the sides are 4. So what we want to do is, and it's telling us that they want us to use addition. So we're gonna do perimeter equals 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And when we add the 4 sides together, that's going to give us 16 centimeters. On letter B, again, we want to use, according to the directions, we want to use the addition to find the perimeter. So we would say P equals 41 plus 41 plus 41 plus 41. And when we add that together, that's going to give us 164. Okay? And the last one that we are going to do is number 4. It says use the formula to find the perimeter of each square. So we have to remember the formula was P equals 4 times S, right? That's the formula. So we want to do perimeter equals 4 times, what is the side? We have it here. The side is 3.1. So 4 times 3.1. Perimeter equals, when we multiply 4 times 3.1, that's going to give us 12.4 feet. Okay? So remember, you are to finish up this page, 253. You also have 254, which is review of multiplication and things that you are very familiar with. And you also have your homework. So make sure that you complete your homework for this section. And I will see you boys and girls tomorrow. Have a good day.